Over 43% of the web runs on WordPress. That's a huge ecosystem, and every site owner wants to manage their content faster and smarter. Introducing ECM, a powerful alternative to ACF, a new brainchild from the A-Blocks team at CodeZen. Many plugins replicate ACF features, but miss true content management. ECM combines customization and content management in one powerful tool. Build anything from a hiring board to a directory or recipe site. ECM gives you the freedom to build any custom site your vision demands. Create your own post types, taxonomies, and fields in seconds, and manage your content smartly, effortlessly, and without limits. No plugin stacking, no coding required, no more click, wait, repeat. ECM loads instantly so you can move at your own pace, fast. Even manages hundreds or thousands of entries with smooth performance and zero lag. Need to fix a title, update an image, or change a field? ECM lets you edit directly from the listing view. Build custom setting pages with Settings Builder. Control your site without coding. Already have content on your site? No need to rebuild. Inherit any post or page into your new custom type with just a click. From job listings to product directories, let users leave feedback. ECM supports built-in comments and reviews for any content type. Extend your power with add-ons. Connect more features and take your content management further. Create, manage, and customize your WordPress site efficiently. ECM, your beyond the limits WordPress content manager. Get started now. Let your ideas take control.